Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Gnus Brand International INC. Now, the first and the foremost reason for looking at this stock is this. When the entire market is falling like anything, this is one of those stocks which stands high and has literally given a gain or a day with a good profit. So that's why we are looking at this particular stock. Let us see what lies ahead as far as the trends of Gnus Brand International is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, to look at the trend like this, you need to understand that we are not talking about a very sharp upside, okay, because it will depend upon how the overall market is supporting the stock. Once the entire market backs into the game, yes, you will get a good and sharp momentum, but right now the stock is holding its level, and that is very important. That is actually very important, that in bad times when the stock is not falling, those are the stocks which will move sharply higher when the time turns good. So right now you have two most important levels to look at. 0.53 is going to be your immediate support, whereas 0.48 is going to be your stop loss on the downside. So these are your first two priority levels. So please do not go below 0.48 as far as the levels are concerned. Now, if only the stock continues to sustain above 0.53, you have two immediate targets to look at. You have 1.01 and you have 1.14. So these are going to be the next two levels on the upside, above which you have this range. Now it's very fascinating, when the entire market is falling, you have literally there are n number of stocks which are moving higher, and it's been trading with quite a gain. I mean, it's not about 1 or 2%. I mean, when the stock market is, or index is itself is falling by 3 or 4%, and the stock rising by 20, 30, 40, 50, even 80, 90%. So this shows the depth of the market. Okay, so you need not to be worried about what's happening across. What you need to be worried about, what you are going to buy and how it is performing. If you have faith in your own decisions, that's what makes things important. So after this level, you have 2.28 and 3.34 as your next set of target. But as far as the big trend is concerned, or as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, you have 7.66 and the big target of 10.45. So this is what we are waiting for as far as the big swing is concerned. Obviously, it's not going to happen in a couple of hours or days. It will take its own time. But what I am more interested in is this highlighted section, and if the support holds for the next couple of days when the market keep on going downside, and if the stock manage or sustain itself in between or above 0.48 and 0.53, this is one of those stocks that one should look for. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.